Good morning, everyone. Look at that sunshine. It is a 60-degree day today, and we are most definitely going to enjoy our day at Heidi's home. So this morning, I've had a ham that you probably seen in my Aldi haul. I got it on clearance, and I was so happy to find it because on this particular day, I have been baking it in the oven this morning, and I'm covering it with foil because it was getting a little too done too quickly. So now to go with that ham, I am putting together a hash brown casserole. I have a recipe here on my channel for that. I will leave the link down below for you all. It is so easily put together. This recipe is one of those kind that you can certainly make your own. So if you want to add bacon, different types of cheeses, use mushroom soup instead of cream of chicken soup, you can definitely make it your own. It is extremely versatile. Now here I am getting ready to cover the top of the casserole with some mild cheddar cheese. Again, use any cheese that you prefer. Now you can mix your cheese within the hash browns, but I find it a little difficult sometimes to stir all of that together. So sometimes I will just add the cheese to the top. So really it is whatever you decide to do. You do you. So now I am going to put all of this into the oven, and it is going to cook another 45 minutes. I'm going to put some green beans on the stove, but before that, I am going to make some iced tea. Now I placed my iced tea into the refrigerator so it's nice and cold for dinner time. But in the meantime, I'm going to load my washer with my bedding. And there is nothing better than ending the day with nice, clean bedding. I'm adding a little butter and some garlic powder to my green beans. This is just a large can of green beans. I'm making some honey butter biscuits, and dinner is almost done. After we ate, I decided to go ahead and put the sheets in the dryer. They were almost dry, and now Ron had brought our comforter down from upstairs, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a good wash and use some Gain crystals in with it, and it will smell so good. So I am taking all the meat off of the ham bone, what is left, and so I'm going to bag up all of the meat because we can use that and have sandwiches or eat it by itself, whatever we decide to do. We had leftover hash brown casserole as well. And then once I get all of the meat cut off, I will wash my hands because I'm going to get a second Ziploc bag and I'm going to freeze the ham bone. And I use the ham bone when I make northern beans. You can also put it in with green beans. You can put it in with lima beans. You can pretty much put it in with anything, and it acts as a phenomenal seasoning for beans. And so if you're trying to save money, I highly suggest utilizing the entire ham. With hot water and a lot of Dawn liquid soap, I am going to get all of my dishes washed up. I really like to have all of the dishes washed up before I go to bed and the coffee pot loaded, which you won't see in this video, but I do it every evening because I love getting up to a clean kitchen and my coffee pot just ready to turn on in the morning. And then I'm able to relax and enjoy my morning. I hope you all enjoyed spending the day with me in my kitchen and just sprucing things up and washing some bedding. We had a wonderful day today, and so I'm going to finish the dishes. I'm going to sweep the floor, and I am going to fill our mini fridge, our drink fridge, full of waters, and get my comforter out, and then I'm going to go upstairs and make my bed, put on some fresh pajamas, and probably watch a little Netflix. So thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you part as Heidi's Home, and I will be seeing you all again soon. You have a fabulous day. Bye, guys.